Hey, good morning. I'm in Madrid right now. A few days ago I got here and it's pretty cold. Hopefully it's not too noisy, but today I'm gonna explain a little bit more what are we working with Felipe. It doesn't have a name yet, but we are calling it meetings or something like that. Okay, third time I try. In Felipe's company, also in mine, and probably in yours as well, we have too many meetings. We are not as productive as we could be, and this leads to frustration sometimes. We think we spend too much time in meetings, we lose our focus, and we don't get as much work done as we could. And at the same time, we don't have data of the time we spend on meetings. And also, what's the cost of those meetings? Because for us, it's like, yeah, okay, I'm not working, I'm just attending a meeting that I may or may not speak, but for the company, that's a cost. I don't know you, but I have attended meetings that a mail could work for that, or maybe even a screen recording. Our platform will be a way to mitigate and fight against that. The useless hours spent on meetings. We will integrate with the principal providers of meetings like Google Meet, Teams, also with Loom, so we can integrate the recording of those meetings and even substitute those with a recording. That will lead to less meetings, less cost, and more efficient work. Our tool will be able to recommend if a scheduled meeting is a good fit to be substituted with a recording. And at the time of creating the meeting, you will see how much time will be lost and how much money it will cost. Other features that we will implement is that what we call time slots. It's like where you want to focus on your deep work. And also we will implement insights for users and for managers, so you know how to manage your time properly. Before launch, I will be doing a bunch more videos like this, so I will keep you updated with the features we include. Before leaving to go and grab some lunch, let me show you the setup I have here in Madrid. I'm using a MacBook Pro with the M2 chip, and I'm using also two monitors. They are Samsung, I think they are 27, and for the peripherals I have a Logitech keyboard that's great. I'm thinking on upgrading to the mechanical Logitech keyboard, but I don't know, maybe a Keychron or something like that. Not sure yet, and you can see the cable management, it's not great, but I'm working on it. I'm also using the Logitech mouse, it's great, all the functionalities it has, it's amazing. Okay, so let's go grab some lunch. Okay, so just on my way to grab lunch, my manager called me and said we had a bug on production. It's related to the translation I was doing. So there's a page on production that doesn't load the context of the translation app correctly, and it crashes when someone does something really concrete, but it must be fixed. That's what I was doing the entire afternoon. It was a little bit stressful because no one wants a bug on production, but it's normal every now and then to have some bugs in a startup. I've been working on other companies, like big companies, and that would be impossible there because we had a lot of Q&A engineers, we had tests as well. So but now that we are on a startup, we have to move fast and break things if we have to. I mean, we cannot spend 2 days doing QA when we have a lot of things to ship. It's you have to take into account the benefits and the cons. So you have to decide if you want to spend more time doing QA, shipping like crazy, and get customers, get traction, and make it successful.